Hello everyone, my name is Pratima Kandel and I am the student at Webster University. Today I'm really excited to share my slides on the topic that is super important in marketing analytics, and obviously it is called data preparations. So in this video I will explain what the data preparation means, why it matters to us, and how we can use tools like Power BI, Excel, and Tableau to clean messy data and turns into something useful. The introductions, um, as company use a lot of data like customer name, email, purchase, and many more, but most of the data is messy, wrong or incomplete, or it's hard to understand. But before they can use to make the decision, they need to clean up and organize it. So this slide will show you four main things, like what data preparation means, like kind of cleaning your room before welcoming the guest. It is one of the example so that you can understand what I'm trying to say. So why it is important? Because messy data can sometimes lead to a bad decision. So we can explain its importance and what are the steps we can take to fix the messy data. And the next is we can highlight the mistakes, demonstrate how the automations works like Power BI, and can transfer raw data into powerful insights. What is data preparation? So I think you all guys know what is the data and what is the preparations. So as a simple you can understand, data preparation is the process of cleaning, transforming and organizing raw data so it becomes suitable for analysis. So this includes tasks like removing duplicate files, fixing errors, handling missing values, and structuring data in a very well or accurate manner. The next is the next slide is why the data preparation is important. So here, first of all, it improves the data quality, and the second, it enables accurate analysis. Like as we everyone know about the GIGO, garbage in and garbage out. When we have the like messy data, obviously our output will be messy or our like data will be incorrect. So for every accurate data we need to like prepare the data, we need to clean the data, so it enables accurate analysis. And the next is save time and resources. Obviously when we have the clean data, it will save our time and resources. It will support data driven decision for every business or organization. It will, when we have the correct data or the clean data, it will really help us to take the better decision that will really like helpful for our business. So here the first process of the data preparation is data collection. So here we have to gather the data from multiple sources such as social media, CRMs, website analytics tools, or database. Ensure the data collected is relevant, accurate, and complete. Whenever we gather the data or collect the data, we have to share that the data is correct, the data is relevant, and the data is complete so that we can go further in the process. So the second step is data cleaning. Here for the data cleaning we have to fix or remove incorrect, corporate or incomplete data. The next is handle missing values, remove outlier and standardized formats. For example, many of us write USA as U.S, but the U.S is incorrect. So the correct one is USA. So here we can get lots of such data that are incorrect. So we have to clean that data. Here the third step is data integrations. Here in marketing, companies get data from many different places like their websites, email, and store records. To really understand their customers, they really need to put all the data together in a complete table, uh, and they need to look the matching what the name is. The name need to match their information, their identity, their customer ID, everything need to be matched. So in short, data integration means collecting piece of data from everywhere and combining them neatly together. The next is data transformations. Here we can convert the data into format suitable for analysis, create calculated fields, normalize value, and refine the data structures. Example, changing data format or categorize continuous value. So now we are on step 5, the data reductions. In the real world, company collect a lot of information, but not all of it is useful for every question they want to answer. So in this step, they filter out unnecessary data like blank or repeated data so that it will really help to improve performance and focus on analysis. Data increasement. So here we can add more content or deep to our data by incorporating additional information such as demographics, behavioral signals, and location data. Let's talk about some common mistakes people make while preparing the data. So here, like even though cleaning data is important, it is easy to make small error that can cause big error later in the company's for the business. So here are some of the 6 things. So the one is ignoring privacy rules. This means sharing or using people's private data without permission. Obviously, whenever we will use their privacy without their permission, it will it will really be the problem. So that's a big no. We always need to protect people information. The second is not fixing missing data. If a table has empty boxes and we don't fix them, it can mess up our whole analysis. And the third is not writing down your changes. Imagine if you clean your room but forget where you put your stuff. It is the same with the data. We should always document what we changed. We have to always note what our error is and what we have corrected. So the next is rushing the process. Cleaning data takes time, obviously. If we rush, we might make mistakes or delete the important things or important data. Next is over cleaning. Yes, it's possible to clean too much. If you review too much data, you might lose things that are actually useful. And the next is adding your own bias. Be careful not to let personal opinion changing how you clean data. So we have to like clean the data very fairly and without any bias. The next is automation in data preparation. Automation reduces manual effort, increase consistency and improve accuracy, help with recurring tasks and large dataset. Tools like Power BI make automation easier. Now you might be thinking, okay, this data preparation stuff sounds useful, but where do data actually use in the real life? Well, the answer is almost everywhere in marketing, business. Let's go around the circle together and I will show you how it works. First, we use to data preparation in customer segmentations. That means dividing customer into groups like teenage, adult, or parents. So companies can spend the right ads to the right people. The next is campaign performance analysis. So here maybe on Instagram or YouTube, they look at clean data to check did it work, did people click or buy something. Then here it comes with marketing ROI measurement. ROI means return on investment. It helps answer if we spend $100 on ads, how much money did we make back? Clean data helps get that answer clearly. So yes, data preparation is not just a tech, but it will really help. The accurate data drives better marketing decision and outcomes. Finally, we are in conclusion. So data preparation is the foundation of effective marketing analytics. Clean, accurate, and well-structured data ensure reliable analysis and save the time support smarter decision. Mastering this process will empower our marketing strategy.